Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can have a profile picture on TikTok with a transparent background, as you can see right here. So you are not going to be required to download any third-party software, and this process is going to work both for Android and iOS or iPhone users. So let's begin the video. Before I begin to show you how you can have a transparent profile picture on TikTok, I should tell you that this process is currently working for Android users, meaning that if you have an iPhone, then this will not work if you're applying through your iPhone. However, there is an alternative way for iPhone users. If you are using an Android phone, continue this video. If you're using an iPhone, then you should go to this video's half part. All the timestamps of this video will be here, so you can go to your iPhone part where I'm going to show you an alternative way. So for Android users, all you need to do is to open your browser and search for a website called remove.bg. I will put this website link in the video description. So what this website does is remove the background on your pictures. So in this way you don't need to download any third-party app. Here is the website. Here you can see a blue button saying upload image. Press on upload image. You need to allow access to your photos and select whichever photo you want to have to remove the background. Here you can see that this picture had a white background and it has automatically removed it. So this website works really great in most of the cases, but if you see that some of the background is still showing, you can press on this edit button and manually remove it. But in my case everything is okay, so I'm not going to do anything. On the bottom you can see we have this little blue download button. We're going to press on the download button, and you can see here Wasay remove bg preview.png has been downloaded. If I go and open my gallery, you can see that the picture has been downloaded. Currently it's hard for you to see because the phone screen is black, and because the picture has no background, that's why everything is showing black. But anyways, this means that our picture has been downloaded with a transparent background. Now what we can do is open TikTok, go to our profile. Here you can see it says edit profile. Currently I have this Naruto photo as a profile picture, so I'm going to press on edit profile, press on the camera icon on my profile, press on select from gallery. I'm going to choose the transparent picture, press on confirm, and you can see it's going to show you a preview, so you can zoom in as well if your picture is a little bit small. Press on save, and now what will happen that your profile picture will be saved with the transparent background. You can see a preview here as well. If I go back, play any video, it should show it. If it is not showing, you can just simply close TikTok. I'm going to open TikTok again, go to my profile and open any of my videos, and you can see that now I have a transparent background which looks cool. In most of the cases you're going to have your logo. For iPhone users, there are two ways. First of all, you can edit the picture on your iPhone with a transparent background and then transfer to your Android device and then upload it on using the TikTok app on your Android device. The other much easier way is that you can edit the picture on your PC or MacBook and upload it directly from here. So you cannot do it directly from your iPhone because for some reason TikTok app would remove the transparent background and replace it with a white background. So that's the reason. Here I am on my Windows PC. Process will be same for Mac users. Here I have my profile picture, basically my logo, and I want to use it as a profile picture with a transparent background on TikTok. First of all, you can see it has a white background. I'm going to remove it. For this, all you need to do is to open your browser and search for a website called remove.bg. I will put the website link in the video description. Here you can see it says upload image. Press on the upload image button. You are going to select your profile picture which you want to have a transparent background. Press on open, and now this website will automatically remove the background, and I would say that this website really does its best in order to remove the background. As you can see right here, I have text, but it can do it for people faces profile pictures as well. and if you see that there are some places left on the background, you can just press on the edit button and remove those places manually, but in most cases it's going to do its job perfectly. After that you are satisfied with your transparent profile picture for TikTok, you can press on this blue download button. Here you can see the download has been completed and you can tell that it is a transparent picture. You cannot tell from here, but if you see, you can see my desktop wallpaper, so it is a transparent picture. Now you need to open your browser again and just type tiktok.com. After that you are going to press on the login button on the top right side and you are going to log into your TikTok account. Once you have logged into your TikTok account, you are going to press on your profile picture on the top right side, press on view profile. Here you are going to press on the edit profile button. You are going to press on your profile picture where it has a pencil icon, and now you are going to select your picture with a transparent background. Press on open. You can zoom in or out as well. In my case it is transparent, so it's harder to see. Press on apply, press on save, and now TikTok is going to update your profile picture. So now you're going to have a transparent profile picture. So this is the alternative for iPhone users out there. You can see it has been updated, and after like a minute or so, your all of the videos will have your transparent profile picture if you see them on your iPhone app. So yeah guys, in this way you can have a transparent profile picture on TikTok, either if you're on Android or iOS. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.